Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl bleach, and today we are going to do parazone or bleach for the house. You need just some few ingredients to do parazone for bleach in the house. First of all, you are going to need your soda ash, your caustic soda, and your bleach powder. And also we will need base, the base that we use for the liquid soap, and also perfume, salt, and some booster, or what they normally call the rice. Also need some water, your wooden ladle, and a bucket to start with the process. Okay, first of all, we are going to add our bleach powder into the water. And please, as you start this process, mind you, these chemicals produces some vapors which are not good for if it is inhaled. So I advise that you do it in an environment which is well ventilated. Yeah. So we then add our soda ash. And for the items, you get them at places where they sell liquid soap or soap items. So when you go to the market, you can ask of any place they sell soap ingredients, and you get all these there. So after adding the soda ash, you add the caustic soda. And please be careful when adding the caustic soda to the water. And as I said, please do this in a well ventilated room, or even outside would help. So after adding the soda ash, you start to stir the solution. You continue to stir for about 5 minutes. This is to ensure that the whole thing mixes together and the stones in it dissolves into the water to start the whole process of making the bleach. So please continue to stir for about 5 minutes. So after stirring for 5 minutes, you allow the mixture to settle and cover it, and you will leave it for about 72 hours. And within that 72 hours, every 6 hours, you have to go and stir the mixture. So this is after 72 hours, you realize that the water has changed into a light yellow color with a residue at the bottom. So this is after 72 hours of stirring. So we move to the next part, which is the process of making the thick bleach. So for that, you need a rubber pan, a wooden ladle. Then we start. I just added the base to it. I'm using about 500 milligram, and I've just added the salt to it too. I'm using the stone salt. It helps to thicken the liquid more than the powdered salt. So as I did in the liquid soap process, you mix the base and salt together for it to mix well. Then with the liquid soap, I use normal water, but to make the thick bleach, you will add the bleach solution as the water in this process. So you keep on stirring till everything mixes. Then you start to add the bleach water little by little, as it was done in the liquid soap process. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So you continue to stir till it becomes thick. Then keep on adding the bleach water to it. And please, for the stirring, it should be as I did in the liquid soap, in one direction, please. If you change the direction, it will loosen the thickness and to become watery. So please stir in one direction. And please, all materials must be wooden and rubber. If you use metallic bowl or pan, it wouldn't give you the thick consistency. So as you can see, as you stir, it becomes thick. So when it becomes thick, you add more of the bleach solution to it. Then continue to stir. And I didn't put it in this video, but you can add the booster. That's the one that looks like rice to it. It will help for the solution to become very foamy. But I didn't add it to the video. And for this batch, I got about 14 liters of bleach solution. Yes, 14 liters. After I finished the whole process, I had about 14 liters of thick bleach. So after I finished the whole process, I sieved the bleach water and separated the residue from the bleach water. And what you just saw is the residue, which can be dried and used as vim. Yes, the vim we have been buying all these years, that's what they use for the vim. So The residue left, I let it dry in the sun for it to become powdery, and it was used as vim. So this is the Parazone solution. You can do this at home. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video. Bye.